Hello guys, welcome back to SaasZilla deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review, and today I'm going to review BeforeSunset AI. So BeforeSunset is an AI planner or a task management app, or you can also call it a productivity tool. So with this tool, you can schedule your task. There is a calendar on BeforeSunset, and the best part is you can connect your existing accounts from Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar to BeforeSunset in order to sync with it. And the great news is BeforeSunset is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is $165, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $49. This is a one-time single payment. Now let's have a look at all the plan and features of this tool. So you can create unlimited to-do list, unlimited subtasks, you can have unlimited bookmarks, you can create recurring to-dos, you can take notes, there is focus mode, obviously the Google integration is there, there is also time blocking and a lot of other helpful features. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $49. Here you can add 1 member and the AI assistant credits is 1,000 per month per user. There is also license tier 2 where you can add 3 members. There are 2 additional features such as the daily or weekly analytics as well as team feed where your team members can share their thoughts on BeforeSunset. There is also license tier 3 that costs $199 that lets you add 15 members. So if you want to buy BeforeSunset AI on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let's go to the dashboard of BeforeSunset. After you log into BeforeSunset, you are going to get this dashboard, and here is your to-do list. And on top, you can describe how you are feeling. So for example, you are feeling amazing. So let's just click on this, and you can also provide a reason for that. So now let's create our task list or to-do list. So for example, my first task for today is going to be create a video. So here is my first task. As you can see, this task has been created. You can also drag and drop it anywhere you want. And you can add tags to this task to provide more context about it. You can start timer. And before you start the timer, you can also add a plan time, which means how much time you plan to spend for this task. For example, for this task, I want to spend 1 hour. So, okay, 1 hour has been set. Now, if I click on the start timer, as you can see, the timer has now started. Here is the timer. So I can see the actual time that I'm spending, and I can also see on the right side how much time I have planned to spend for this task. And I can also stop it. Now let's go back. So now if I open this task, as you can see now on top, I can see how much time I have spent and also how much time I plan to spend. And once you add a particular task, you can also add various subtasks for that one task. And the best part is you do not have to write those subtasks manually. You can simply do that using the AI. So if I click on this and if I click on create subtask, so as you can see, 2 subtasks have been added. And obviously you can also add another subtask manually if you want. And beside this AI assistant, there is also this save. So you can save this task if you want. So as you can see now, it has been saved. And on this section, you can write or add notes about this task or write anything that you want. And there are also some templates for that. So if you press the slash on your keyboard, as you can see, you can continue writing. After writing some words or sentences, you can use this send feedback or text or to-do list or heading. For example, I want to use this to-do list. So as you can see, one list has been created here. If I click once again on this slash, now for example, I want to add a heading 1. So as you can see, it has been added. So this way, by pressing the slash on your keyboard, all of the templates are going to appear and you can use whatever you need. And once you save a task, as you can see, I have saved this one. So it is going to be added to the bookmark. And to access the bookmark, you have to go to history. So on this section, you can see all of your histories in the last 30 days, all of the tasks, all of the things that you have done on BeforeSunset. And if I go to these bookmarks, as you can see, the task that I saved that is going to appear on this bookmark, it is going to be stored on here. So let's go back. And on this task, there are also some other options. So if you click on these 3 dots, you can add this task to a particular date. So as you can see now, you can add this task to a date. And remember how I told you that you can create recurring tasks. So for that, you have to click on repeat, and now you can repeat every day, every week, month, year. So every day for every day. So as you can see now, it is going to be repeated every day. So it has become a recurring task. There are also some other options. You can move this task to tomorrow, rest of the week, or later. You can also change the priority for this task, high priority, medium, low, or no priority. You can edit this, unsafe, or focus it. So if you click on this focus, this page is going to open so that you can focus on this task, particularly on this task. You can start the timer from here. So this is the task list for today, but you can also see the task list for tomorrow or rest of the week. And once you are on a particular section, you can add tasks for that particular day. So I can add some tasks for tomorrow, or I can add tasks for rest of the week. So this way, Before Sunset is going to work. And on the bottom, there are some other options. So you can see the time. You can also start your break. For example, you are working for a long time and now you want to have a break. So click on this. And now you are on a break. So this page is going to stay. So after your break is finished, just simply click on back to work. And on the left side, you can see all of your events or tasks for today. And if you click on a particular time, you can create an event from here. And to connect your Google or Outlook calendar, you have to click on this. Now you can connect whatever account you want. Then on the left side, there are also some other options. So you can access the history that I already showed you. You can also go to the spanning section to see all of your planned events or tasks according to the calendar. And obviously there is also this analytics section. So here you will get details analytics about time, daily to-do list, to-do accomplishment, actual and planned time, daily status. You can also see the track time distribution. So for example, I'm done with today. I have finished all my work. So now I can simply go back to this to-do list and click on shut down the day. So this way you can shut down for a day and you are going to be redirected to the analytics page, which will show you what you have done on that particular day. And something I forget to show you is that with the AI assistant, you can also make a task actionable. So here is my task, create a video. So it's a very vague task. There is not much context to it. So if you want to add that context, make it actionable, you can click on this AI assistant, click on this. So as you can see now, it has become actionable. The AI has expanded the task. So overall, I think BeforeSunset AI is an excellent tool. You can create to-do list or you can manage your task more efficiently with this tool. And the best part is it has AI. So you do not have to write everything manually. It can create multiple subtasks for you. It can also make your task actionable. There are also a lot of helpful features such as the timer, the plan time, the calendar sync. So if you want to buy BeforeSunset on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all of these features. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description. And once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this. And on this box, you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10%. And then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo Credits Gift. And this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.